Hello again, everyone. Brian Rhodes here. I trust all is well with you and yours. Well, I hope you had a wonderful Christmas. We did here for sure. And I'd like to take this opportunity to wish you a Happy New Year. I think 2018 is going to be good for all of us. I want to speak to you today, though, about the last 10 days of bloodletting. As you know, the cryptocurrencies have been bleeding. At least Bitcoin for sure. Some others are actually climbing, but that's another story. And that's the nature of the beast. The fact of the matter is, as everybody's telling you, you've got to learn to expect this. So I caution you, when you put money, especially after tax dollars, into an investment in cryptocurrency, be careful. Only money you should be investing in this is money you could literally burn and have it not affect the rest of your life. So please, just be cautious and build slowly and be patient. There are reasons for this volatility, but we don't often talk about those. We all say, be patient. We all say it's volatile, but why is it volatile? Well, let me just say there are thousands of reasons, but I'll focus in on a couple for you just to give you some comfort. Think about this in the grand scale, the larger scale. We're treading on ground with some of these projects and some of this technology that we've never tread on before. This is literally the new frontier. But the interesting part about it is it involves so many more people around the world than really ever before in situations like this. Let me give you an example. When people's dreams were focused in on the gold rush, well, tens of thousands went and were involved in it. But compare that to the people involved right now in the cryptocurrency world, or the Oklahoma land rush. 50,000 people were involved in that. That's just a tiny infinitesimal amount compared to the people involved in cryptocurrency. And the truth of the matter is, because we're treading on ground literally never tread on before, it becomes really difficult to get a handle on things. Let me give you another example. When I was studying at university theories of change, we focused in on the steam engine, in other words, investments, to try to see how technology was advancing. Well, the steam engine took roughly 200 years, really, to develop to the point where people moved on, right? Then we found that the atomic bomb took 5 years. And the integrated circuit took 2 years. And as we progressed, we found that this revolutionary change, the time taken, was shrinking dramatically, to the point now where I dare say that we are probably having earth-shaking technologies dropped on our lap literally every 5 minutes or so. It's become that much of a fire hose. Technology is moving at a rate that scares the hell out of a lot of people, which in many respects then gives some foundation to the volatility of the cryptocurrency market. And when you look at all these variables, we try to get some value to the new things that are coming along. Well, hell, they're coming along so quickly, and there are so few relative values, in other words, values we can pull from other things and apply to this in terms of its application to the world at large or to our lives in general, that quite frankly, we don't know what the hell we're talking about. It's become that much of a difficulty. So really, we are at the mercy of naysayers. We're at the mercy of people also on the other side who are tantamount to blowing up the values and whatnot as equal to those naysayers who are tearing it down. So, you've got to find your way through this. And the best way to do that is to be cautious. But understand you are, in fact, in a volatile world. And that's not going to change, in my opinion, for a long time to come. So you got to learn to live with it. Just make sure you mitigate your losses. And I'm not going to go into how you're doing that now, but you can find that information out on the internet left and right. So the idea in this case is that the volatility is out of our hands. We're not going to be able to do anything about it. But a big caution here for you, please. We focus in on the cryptocurrency side, and we're shaken and or elated by its ups and downs. But don't lose focus to what the real opportunity is here. Let me put it this way. You're involved in cryptocurrency, you're involved in the game, right? But blockchain should be your focus, because blockchain is the game changer. Now, keep that in mind. It's the blockchain that holds the awe of the future. All right, now that's enough for now. I'm going to save further discussions on the blockchain to my next blog, okay? So, take care, enjoy the rest of your day, and I look forward to speaking with you soon. Bye-bye.